This is training for American Traditions insurance agents on how to pull a list of your book of business. Once you've logged on to the agency portal, you want to go to your agent dashboard. So click on your agent dashboard, and this will bring you to your agency information. This is a test account, so there's nothing shown here, but this will show all your quotes, your policies in force, policies that were new, and all the information about your agency. Also, if you still have any Modern USA policies, you'll want to do the same process as I'm about to show you by going to Modern USA. So what you're going to do to pull your list, your book of business, is you're going to see here, policies in force. And in your case, there should be a number here other than 0. You just want to click on your total count, and that would pull your complete list of your book of business. It'll have your policy ID, the name, address, and all the information on the policy as a snapshot. To get a copy of this book, you just simply click on the Excel spreadsheet, and that'll export it to Excel, and you'll have your full book of business for American Traditions in an Excel spreadsheet. Additionally, if you have Modern, you want to switch over to Modern by clicking this tab, switch to Modern, and you want to do the same process again by clicking on your policies in force and exporting it to an Excel spreadsheet.